Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today we'll be talking about EUS Settings. This is where you customize the iframe to use for standard web integration. I already have the page opened here, but if you want to navigate to this, simply click on Account and select EUS Settings. When the user is done submitting their form, they'll come to an EUS Landing Page. When it comes to how this displays, you have three different options to pick from. You can display your coverage map zoomed into the client and show a thank you message. You can display a thank you message on its own, or you can redirect to a different URL. This next box is where you would alter your thank you message. This is also the place where you would put your redirect URL if you chose that option. See below for the appropriate format. The movable pin text displays over the pin while the user is finalizing their submission. If you want to customize it, you can do that here. EUS Email 1 is where the submissions get sent when the process is complete. You can add a secondary email in the slot below. If you select the default settings checkbox, you can open the default location settings for your EUS form. Here you can alter the default country and the state or province. To start off with, there are 4 different pin types available when it comes to your EUS data: serviceable, new EUS, no service, or installed. Adding a custom pin gives you the ability to create a new category. To do this, you'll give it a name, select an icon, and click Update. The custom pin will then become available to you when editing EUS submissions. Your weekly EUS submission report is a mailer list. Click the checkbox to make it active. Add anyone you'd like in the email field as you find it necessary. Just below that, you have an option to send the email now or download a CSV file of the weekly report. Google Analytics is a tracking service provided by Google. If you have a Google Analytics ID, you can paste it here. EUS Iframe Text allows you to modify labels on your EUS form. If you want to change just one of these items, you'll still need to place a value in each field for this to update. If you want certain fields to remain the same, label it as such. None of these fields can be left blank if you want the update to be successful. If you found this content helpful and you'd like to see more, don't forget to click that subscribe button. If you want to get notified when we upload a video, be sure to ring that bell. Thank you for joining us, and I will see you for the next one.